everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. Just got back from having some coffee, and we're getting ready to go on our 3-day trip. So we'll be vlogging a little bit of that to let you know where we're going in our Coachman RV. But I do have a little unboxing. This is Ted's gift for Father's Day. It came, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what I got him. All right. And I hope everybody's staying safe and all that fun stuff. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. All right, we're in. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we got here. All right, so we got some thank you for shopping at TSC. So that's nice. We never got a letter before, did we?
No.
No.
Not me.
So I guess they're saying thank you for shopping. Keep shopping. All right. So what do we got here? We have a 4-piece master kit. And this looks like it's a charger, AirPods, the wired maybe, or the ones that you put in, and a case with a little thing to hook up on your backpack. So that's cool. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And then we have the AirPods here. All right. The new ones, they're 3rd generation. Let's go ahead and open those up. All right. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, they got a new fancy thing where you just undo it. Okay. All right. Oh, there we go. Makes it a lot easier. All right, so let's see what we have here. Designed by Apple in California. All right. All right. It's a new 3rd generation. Okay, so he can charge those up. Get those ready for our trip. Okay, that's what that looks like.
Oh.
Well, Safeway Pharmacy. Gotta get my pills.
Safeway's ready for pickup. We're gonna get that today too, I guess.
All right.
We'll leave a little earlier and get that and come back to. Okay.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay, sound okay to you?
Sounds perfect. All right, and then you get a entertainment package, and then you activate it with different numbers. Congratulations on your purchase.
And what's this one?
That gives you your case. You get a case with it, which is nice. And I didn't get all that with mine.
Did you get a USB cable?
I don't know. We'll have to look in here. Yeah, I'm not sure what you get. Let's see here. Okay, that's that. Yeah, you do.
Okay.
You get a USB cable. All right. So that's my unboxing for Ted's Father's Day gift. So apparently he loves it. So that's good.
Thanks for watching.
All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys.
You need this
Bye now.
stuff?